Now here I will tell you the three names: CXS, second one imunify360, and third one is a cPGuard that is provided by OpShield. Now here the best part, all of three are the server best security applications that scan malware, that scan viruses, that scan your malware attacks, and it will try to avoid all kinds of attack on your server. Let me explain one by one. This is a one-time license. If you buy $60 license, that time you can able to buy CXS. To install, how to install and configure it, we can able to help you. But if you want this license, so that time it is cost you $60, but with dedicated core you might be able to get at a $45. For that you need to share this video to our dedicated core management team. So via ticket, so you can able to contact us. We will give you at $45 per server. Okay, so you will save here $15. Okay, so this is one of the one-time license, so you can able to use on your particular IP address, and here you can able to read all the information about CXS, and it will helps you to avoid all kinds of CMS related attacks, cron related, and it scans everything. You can able to see here how to use, and all you need to learn from your side, because it is a server related things. And if you buy a management plan from our side, we will do from our side, so no worry about that. This is one of the good application for securing, and that will save you cost for the lifetime. Okay, next one is imunify360. This is the hike, you can say hike in the market. So everyone say that if your server cPanel server, then go with imunify360, because imunify360 and cPanel has been partnered with each other, but the costing of imunify360 is extremely high. Means you can able to say that security and the features is also high. Yes, security and features, virus scanner, malware scanner, and everything is extremely high level. But one problem you will face with this, it will consume some more resources of your server. So that is only one drawback. Else imunify360 is one of the best tool for your security. Now come to the third part, cPGuard. Let me share you about cPGuard. We as a dedicated core or a domain tracer, we already partnership with cPGuard. Let me share you one. Wait, here you can able to see that domain tracer is official partner of cPGuard. Okay, so let's explain about this thing. Here you will find at $45. This server is of 45. We can able to give you at $20 if you buy single server as well, because we are a service provider. But only one condition, you need to buy server from dedicated core or domain tracer. That time only we can able to offer you imunify360 at $20. Okay, that means you are saving a lot of money if you are purchasing a server from domain tracer or dedicated server. Now we will move towards cPGuard. Why we are using or we are partnered with cPGuard? Because cPGuard uses their own server to scan attacks, and they have a centralized system to securize the server. So basically why we partner? Because they have a good pricing. Second, they will not utilize server resources. Third, they have centralized database, so anything goes wrong with any server of their clients and they find any attack, so similar attack will automatically protected on all their clients. So basically cPGuard is one of the best tool that we can able to use. Okay, let me go to the pricing, because here as a server provider we just wanted to help you with the better and better pricing and better solutions. Okay, so here you can able to see that if you go with this plan, it will cost you $11, but with domain tracer or dedicated core you will get it $9.5 at a flat rate. So that is what we can able to give you a best pricing. And to install, configure and all, we will do that, but only condition, you have to buy server from dedicated core or domain tracer. So this is all about virus scanner, securities and malware scanner. It will protect your server around the clock. Wait. One more thing is remaining. cPGuard is one of my favorite. Reason is very simple. It comes with CMS, means WordPress, Drupal, e-commerce, like applications, Shopify, and so similar application. All applications has a separate features they launch, by which you can able to easily check which plugin or which theme or which particular file in the WordPress is causing a security violation. So if your website or WordPress is getting hacked, so that time if your website on the cPGuard server, suppose in this case we are setting a server, in that we are installing a cPGuard, so that time 100% you can able to say that cPGuard will secure your server even if it is about to hack. Okay, so that is what the best feature we see with the cPGuard. Lightweight and extremely powerful centralized database. They have 2 million plus virus or antivirus, or there are a lot of things to be protect your servers. Let's go for the next one. Now last two things are remaining. In that you can able to say that we want a faster server. To run a faster server we need two things, Nginx or Lightspeed, because both are competitors. When we say about a service, so that time I will highly recommend you to go with Lightspeed. We are official partner of Lightspeed, and let me go to the buy section, because we are not creating the Lightspeed, right? We are just providing you. So in this case, if you go with a Lightspeed, so in this case you can able to see that this license coming at $46. The same license we can able to offer you at $30. Okay, so that benefit you can able to. Again, only one condition, you need to buy a server from our side only. Done. This is how you need all these plugins for your server. And in next video we are going to install some of the most important plugins like Software Plus, Cloud Linux, Lightspeed, and other two more plugins which need for your server. Hopefully this video helps. We believe in win-win situation. Hopefully this video series is helping you a lot. For now we will close this video, and in the next video we will install Software Plus.